C is the tonic, or C is the root note. That's going to be the resolve. C chord with the C and the bass. B flat. This is what I call a bass. Rooted chordal progression. I'm playing the G chord, but I have those open strings. A. This is considered an A suspended second because of the open B. E's part of the A chord, but the B is not. I just resolved it. And here's the riff. Starting with the C major 7th, going to the F major 7th, with that suspended suspended 6th.